Hello all, welcome to another tutorial on mindsDB. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how we can set up our data files on our mindsDB instance and start building our predictors. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have two ways of connecting our data files or data sources to our mindsDB instance. The first one is via database, and the second one is through direct file uploads. So let's have a look at how we can make use of each of these. So let's get started. We'll log on to our mindsDB instance. Click on get started. It will log me in right away. So for the purpose of this demo, I had already created a connection with PostgreSDB. As parameters, I had passed in the auth details as well as the connection details to the database. So if I go ahead and run this query, it will show me as the DB already exists. To go ahead and look into what kind of tables that this DB has, I'll just quickly go ahead and run show tables, and we have three tables within this DB: predictors underscore versions, and databases. Right. So this is one way of connecting your databases via connectors. Now the second way is through direct uploads. So what you need to do is open up this burger menu and go into add data, and head over to the files section. Now you have two options here: URL imports, or import your file or upload your file directly onto the CloudsDB instance. So URL imports can be files that are hosted for, say, like on your Amazon S3 bucket, and you can provide in the URL and import the data. And through import file, what the current implementation allows is to upload your datasets in the form of CSV files. Right, so I have a dataset that contains details about cars. I'll go ahead and upload that. So we'll go ahead and click over here. Sorry, and we'll go ahead and click on open. We'll name it as cars underscore data and click on save and continue. So once the file is uploaded, you can straight away start accessing your data. So I could run a query like, probably just go ahead and run a select query, and it should show me all the records that are within the dataset. Right, so this is all that I had for this demo. Just one more thing that I'd like to point out here is while connecting to databases, that is through the first option where I connected with Postgres database, you have a plethora of options to connect with other DBs as well. If you're curious about the current integrations that mindsDB offers, you can go ahead and click on add data again, and you can scroll and see through all the available integrations. So there is a lot of stuff going on, and you can connect your datasets with a lot of different DBs. So yeah, that's all I had for this demo. Thank you for watching.